So, I'm a high school student trying to concentrate in a class where the teacher is talking about concentration, ammonia concentration in a fish tank to be exact. Of course, I'm bored, so I start doodling. A fish tank. Let's see how many fish can I fit in there. 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish. Okay, time to concentrate about concentration again because the teacher handed us this problem. Knowing that 1 koi fish produces this much ammonia a day, how much ammonia would 5 koi fish produce? Okay, so I'm supposed to use these 2 numbers to come up with a third number that would be the answer. Okay, then do I multiply these 2 numbers or should I divide them? And if I divide them, which number should I divide by which? This is so confusing. But hey, my doodling could help. If this fish produces 20 and each produces 20, then all of them would produce 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. That's 5 20s, which is a product. So I'm supposed to multiply. I could have just copied what the teacher did on the board. Anyways, the next half of the problem requires us to use our previous answer along with this number to come up with the concentration increase per day. Again, should I multiply or divide, add or subtract? See, the more I look at the numbers alone, the more confused I get. But these numbers are associated with units. Let me see what happens if I look at the numbers along with the units that they represent. Then this looks more like an algebraic problem where the rate of increase per day must be a ratio of concentration to volume. So I should divide the concentration by the volume because this would give us the rate at which the ammonia concentration increases per day. So carrying the units along with our calculations and analyzing these units helped us identify the correct mathematical procedure instead of just guessing one of 4 operations. Okay, now that we've solved this problem, I'll go back to doodling. But before I do, I want to remind you that the use of unit analysis does not only apply to this problem. If we are encouraged to keep track of the units, we will be able to conceptualize the relationship between these units and the numbers that they represent. For example, knowing that the volume is calculated by multiplying 3 dimensions explains why the unit of measuring volume is cubed. Hey, this applies to calculating area too, where the product of 2 numbers along with their units explains why the unit of measuring area is squared. Knowing the operational procedure of calculating numbers is not enough. Keeping track of the units will give us conceptual understanding of what these calculated numbers represent. So parents, remind us to keep track of our units.